What do you have for me?
Boston investigators said there was a lot of accelerant in the vehicle.
All signs point to murder-suicide.
Hey, Pete. Just say it.
I can't make an official determination yet, but both bodies are male. Initial assessments are consistent with what we expect for James Ulster and Special Agent Trent. We'll work as fast as possible.
I want to see.
Angie, we're still processing the scene.
Pete, letter.
Something fused to his chest. What is this?
Is that a flip phone?
It's not Will's.